In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a shopping list in Notion. We'll keep it simple and clear so you can follow along and have a usable list by the end. Start by looking at the left-hand sidebar in Notion. At the very top of that sidebar, click the New Page button. This creates a blank page where your list will live, so you have a dedicated spot you can open on your phone or computer whenever you need it. Give your page a name that makes sense for how you'll use it. Something like Weekly Shopping List or Grocery Run helps you find it quickly later and keeps your workspace organized. A good title also makes it easy to reuse the same page week after week by simply unchecking items you need again. Next, let's turn this page into a checklist. Place your cursor in the body of the page and type an opening square bracket, then a closing square bracket, and press the spacebar. Notion instantly converts that into a checkbox. This is the fastest way to create a clean, clickable to-do item without hunting through menus. Now start listing your items. Type one item per line and press Enter after each one to create a new checkbox line. As you go, think about grouping similar items together so they're easier to find when you're at the store. When you finish shopping, you can click each checkbox to mark it complete, and the items will visually dim so you can see what's left at a glance. If you want to be more specific, you can add helpful context to each item. Notion lets you include links, so you can paste a product URL right on the line with the item name. That's great for recurring purchases or specific brands you prefer. You can also add images to your page to keep visual references. Drag a photo from your computer into the page near the item it belongs to, or place it just below. This can be useful for packaging you're trying to match or recipes you're shopping for. You can break items into subtasks as well. If an item has parts, like a recipe that needs several ingredients, press the Tab key on a new line to indent it beneath the previous checkbox. This creates a clear structure where the main item is the header and the indented lines are the pieces you need to pick up. And there you go. You've created a simple, flexible shopping list in Notion that you can update anytime and check off as you go. That's all.